Welcome family and friends to Mariposa Computer Science Magnet School. This week we had our Monarch of the Month assemblies that highlighted leadership. All of our students also got to play a game that retaught all the different schools' expectations. During recess, our students have access to a variety of different games. And Miss James was teaching her 6th graders all about the rules of basketball. Miss Hill's 3rd graders had fun exploring different types of fractions. Miss Fishnick brought math word problems to life for her 2nd graders.
Right? But it says cats and dogs. So what does that mean if we're having cats?
Bear's 1st graders learned to add using dice. On Friday, our teachers got a visit from a specialized phonics trainer on how to run small phonics groups. All of our students get to participate in specialized phonics instruction from our youngest learners to our intermediate grades and even up to our middle school grades. Miss Wilcox's 3rd graders were learning how to program their robots and make them race. We even had a special visit from State Senator Scott Wilk, who wanted to learn all about our computer science program.
That is cool.
He even presented us with a $5,000 check to go towards our Lego robotics program. At Mariposa Computer Science Magnet School, we promise to turn your child into a thinker, doer, coder, and leader. See you all next week.